Gotta go get some stuff in Manhattan. It's a pretty hectic morning between work and getting ready. We moved our plans, so we're leaving earlier today than expected.
'Alright.
Good?
Got it. 2 more hours.
What you guys got planned this weekend? Work?
Sailing.
Ooh.
Yeah.
We'll be back next week.
Fun.
Are you going for the whole week?
Yeah. Up to Maine.
I'm not jealous. Take pictures. I'm down with the pictures.
Get the package, unwrap it, give the other package, unwrap it. Really interesting starting tonight. Getting on the boat. Wait, we need to prepare a lot of stuff still. We'll make it. Right after the break. $0.99 pizza. Are you lost?
No, so j'ai essayé de trouver un post office, right?
Yeah.
Je suis allée sur le site et là il m'a dit quelque chose et c'est...
Right here. Post office done. We have shoes.
Where are your shoes? Oh, right.
Time to try a few clothes.
So basically it's almost 5:30. The guy is coming to pick us up at 8. Pierre has somehow fallen into trying on all of this. This is Pierre's selection of clothing. He hasn't packed yet.
Ready, guys? I just discovered the most amazing thing ever. Ready?
You can change the kind
This
of
is
light
so
as well.
cool.
Evening,
And then
office,
evening.
outdoors.
This is so cool. First wife. Perfect. Oh yeah, Trina. We've got shorts and t-shirts. We've got everything actually. Let's just go now. I don't have a Hawaiian shirt anymore. So we're on the way to Sag Harbor. Should take us about 2 hours, something like that. Welcome to Brooklyn in Bed-Stuy. All right, we have arrived.
Stops when you stop pulling it.
Come on, Trina, pull.
Supposed to pull it all the way?
Yeah. Voila.
Yeah, great job, Trina. Trina's first step. What's the name of the boat?
And then Ketchevere.
Trina's first steps in the boat.
So, bienvenue.